Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build this high-resolution Wing Gundam Zero. I was told that high-resolution kits are better in color separations and detail, so it would be just perfect for snap build. This is my first time building a high-resolution model, and I have a pretty high expectation on it. I have no complaint with the plastic of the wings and armor, but I don't like the color of the brown and gray parts. Rather than the normal lid box we usually see for MG kits, this box have a flap at the top and bottom that allows them to put more pictures on both sides. But I prefer the lid type box better because I have a habit of using the box to place my runners in alphabetical order when I build. I regretted not painting the kit, but by the time I realized, it was too late and I didn't want to take everything apart to paint it. What am I painting here is just the gray on the rifles. I just have to cover up some sanding marks. Just like other high-resolution kits, this Wing Gundam comes with a pre-assembled skeletal in the frame, and I think it's supposed to give a better articulation to the kit. This kit is available at USA Gundam Store. Don't forget to use my discount code when you purchase at their website. I thought this kit at least would come with an action base because there's no way it could stand on its own. So get your own action base if you want to build this. There's no stickers for the kit, and since I didn't paint it, maybe I should do some panel line. What do you think? It took me so long to get these poses because the wings on the top keep falling off and the right hand fell off numerous times. After all, this is such a beautiful model for display, and I will be putting it in my living room. Hit the like button if you like my video today, and I hope you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my future builds. See you next time!